All right. Yes, we are doing this now. Before you start hitting those dislike buttons or throwing all the hate down in the comment section, just wait. Just give me a minute. Let me explain. I do have a very good explanation for this. Yes, the title of this video is correct. I did go out and buy myself an iPhone 12 Pro Max, but like I said, just hear me out. I do have a good reason for doing this. No, this isn't one of those videos where I'm switching to an iPhone full time and then I'm gonna come back 30 days later and say, oh, I'm leaving iPhone. No, this is none of that. This is none of that here on this channel. Now, I know I got a lot of Samsung fans on this channel, a lot of Samsung users, just overall a lot of Android users, because that's pretty much what this channel is based off of. Android devices, with most of that being a lot of Samsung content. I mean, when I first started this channel, I called it Everything Android. You can still go on the internet and look up youtube.com/everythingandroid and this channel will pop up. The URL is still the same, youtube.com/everythingandroid. And it's been like that for years. And since I started this channel, I have always thrown hate towards iPhone. Since the very first iPhone, I have always been a hater just because I never used an iPhone ever. Even to this day, I've held one for a couple seconds and that was it. I've never used an iPhone. I would just throw hate because I was just being a hater. That was just me. I was always an Android guy. I am still an Android guy, but I finally came to the realization that, hey, you know what? When I do my reviews, I base all of my reviews on my own user experience, my own personal experience with that device. While I can't go around hating on a device that I've personally never used before. And even on some of my videos, some new viewers that come and watch a certain video, say it's a video on my Note 20 Ultra, which is actually recording the B-roll for this video right here. If it's on a certain video like that, they'll ask me, what do you think about this device versus the new iPhone or the past iPhone or whatever? And honestly, I have no answer for them because I've never actually experienced an iPhone for myself. And I'm not talking about just, you know, a couple of minutes or a day or a couple of days. I'm talking about really using an iPhone and owning one for more than just a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, more than a month. So it just kind of got me thinking, like, you know what? I need to see what the competition is all about. I need to see what they have to offer. So I thought, why not now? Better than ever. Apple just came out with their new iPhone 12 series of devices. And I thought, why not get the best one out of all of them? So I went with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that is exactly why I purchased this device, so I can have some knowledge about what it's about. And who knows, I might end up liking it. Just based off of what I see on videos and on the internet, I mean, they're not bad devices at all. I've just always preferred Android devices. So today we are going to be unboxing this and getting my true very first impressions on an iPhone and actually using one. So let's go ahead and do this. I did get this in the Pacific Blue color. Is that what they're calling it? Yes, the Pacific Blue color, 128 gigabytes. I did grab this from T-Mobile, but let's go ahead and get this open. So I'm assuming I just gotta pull the plastic up like this. Woo, here we go, here we go. Comes off just like that. Throw that to the side. All right, here it is. And I guess I don't have to cut anything off. So here it goes, the first unboxing, my very first unboxing of an iPhone. Here we go, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Woo! There it is, there it is. Look at that. Let me go ahead and pull this out and okay. Oh, wow. All right, just bear with me here. Bear with me here. This is actually really nice. I'm being totally honest with you guys. I can't throw hate. I can't throw hate on this design right here, at least as far as the back goes. Man, this Pacific Blue is such a beautiful color, and I really love this matte finish that they're giving it here. And woo, I am sweating, you guys. I am sweating. Let's go ahead and look at this camera module. All right, looking at that. Now, it doesn't look like there's a full sheet of glass covering all three lenses. They are all separately just kind of popping out. Not sure how I feel about that, but you know what, honestly, it doesn't look bad at all. It actually looks really nice. Then going around the edges. Now it is shiny around the edges. It is not matte like the back right here. And so it is going to attract some fingerprints. I do notice some fingerprints already on the side, but you know what? This is a very nice looking device. I am not going to lie. Let's go ahead and take this top piece off right here. And there is the display and there is that notch. Now, I do gotta be honest with you guys. I am used to devices with no notches on the display. I mean, okay, I got all these Android devices right here. Got my Galaxy Z Fold 2 right here, which doesn't have a notch in the front, and it doesn't have a notch on the inside. It's just a camera hole punch cutout. Got another Android device right here, no notch. Another one, the LG Velvet, no notch, a little teardrop notch, that's about it, but nothing like the iPhone. And I got the Google Pixel 5 right here, no notch. My Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is recording the B-roll for this video, no notch. So this is something that I am going to have to get used to. I don't know if I'll be able to get used to that, because like I said, all the devices that I use do not have a notch like this. And I know most iPhone users are already used to that and it's no big deal for them. But for me, coming from devices that don't have a display like this, I am gonna have to get used to this. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box real quick. Designed by Apple, California. What is this? What is this? Okay, so we get Apple stickers right here. We get an Apple sticker, and I'm guessing this is just the user manual. We got a SIM card tool right here, and then we have a charging cable, but no charging brick. So good thing I do have some extra charging bricks that I can at least plug this into. I think all I have is Samsung bricks, so hopefully this will work with it. I'm sure it should. I mean, it shouldn't have any problem. It's just a charging brick, but yeah, I mean, it kind of sucks that they don't add a charging brick in there, but I guess for me, it's good. It's okay because I have some extras on the side, but if you're someone who doesn't have any extras laying around, you're pretty much screwed on that, but you know what? Whatever. Okay, so I know a lot of people made a big deal about the box because of how small it is, how skinny it is. Whatever, it's just a box. All right, let's go ahead and power this on. Is this the power button? I'm assuming this is the power button. Let's see if it has some juice here. And okay, there we go. So we're getting the little Apple logo. It is powering on. Let's go over to the left side of the device. So it looks like this is where the SIM card is going to go. We got some volume rockers, and I'm sure this is a toggle right here to be able to switch the phone to vibrate or turn the sound on, I'm assuming. I know my OnePlus device has something like that as well. Then on the bottom, we have the speaker grill microphone and the charging input, which is, I'm sure, is the Lightning. Yes, man, you know what? I really wish they would have went USB Type-C on this device because I have tons of USB Type-C chargers, so I'm really gonna have to make sure that I take care of this right here because this is going to be the only charging cable that I have for this device. But it did power up, it is ready to go, it's saying hello, so let's see, swipe up to open. Okay, I did swipe up. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna choose English, United States, quick start, set up manually. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here, so I'm gonna pause the camera. I'm gonna set this up. I don't know how long it's gonna take me because I don't know how to use an iPhone. I heard it's very simple, but for someone who's never used one before, I really don't know. But so far, first impressions have actually been really good. As far as the design goes, I mean, this is a beautiful looking device. As far as the size goes, it is a big phone, but you know what? I'm already used to my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is also a big phone, which I think is just a little bit bigger than this one, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, as far as size goes, I do like the size. That display, I am gonna have to get used to the notch up at the top, but overall design, pretty good, pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then I'll be back with you guys in a couple of minutes. Well, I guess for you guys, it's gonna be instant. Woo, and just like that, I am back. Got myself signed into the device. I did have to create an Apple account because obviously I've never had one before. So it did take me quite a bit of time to set this up. I also set up the Face ID and I gotta say, it's pretty legit. It works really, really good. Now, real quick, I gotta give a huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, Subcase. If you are not familiar with who Subcase is, they are a case manufacturer who makes some great protective cases. Not only cases that are protective, but they look good as well. And I have done many drop tests using these cases on other devices. My phones always come out looking like brand new. So you can really depend on these cases right here to protect your device. And I'm gonna have a full review coming using this device inside these cases. Got another drop test coming to see just how well they're gonna protect this device right here. So if that's something you wanna see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on that future video to come. But for now, if you do wanna check out one of these cases for yourself, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below so you can go ahead and check one out for yourself so you can make sure you get this beautiful looking iPhone device protected. And I gotta say, I am really loving the back of this device. So like I said, I am all set up and ready to go. I don't know what's going on here. There we go. So set up, ready to go. Now, one thing I did notice is the refresh rate. I understand that it's only running at 60 Hertz. Not a big deal, but I do gotta say, I have gotten used to that 120 Hertz display that I have on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I got it on my OnePlus 8T. Heck, even the 90 Hertz display on my Pixel 5. It is always nice to get that extra smoothness when scrolling through the device. Now, I don't have that here, but even though we don't have that high refresh rate, I do notice that it is actually a very smooth experience that I'm getting here. Not as smooth as the higher refresh rate displays, but you know what, for being a 60 hertz display, it's actually very smooth. Now, I do have to start downloading my apps, get it all set up and ready to go the way I want it. This is what's just supposed to be an unboxing and first impressions coming from a hardcore Samsung user or just overall Android user. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so far I am actually really, at least so far of what I experienced so far as the design and looks go, I do like it. This notch I am going to have to get used to, even though with the wallpaper I have right now, even though it's a little bit darker up there where the notch is, I mean, I can still see it. I know it's there. It's just something that I'm gonna have to get used to, but we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. I am definitely going into this open-minded. I am not going in as a hater, and I'm not gonna look for everything wrong with this device. I'm really gonna put it to the test and see if it can actually handle everything that I throw at it and see if it's actually gonna work out for me. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you guys wanna know about this device? What do you wanna see me do with this device? Because like I said, this is my first time ever owning an iPhone device, so I'm really curious to see how it's gonna go over these next couple of days or next couple of weeks. I am not returning this device. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this is not one of those things where I only buy it for a couple of weeks and then return it before the return window. No, I'm really gonna put it to the test, put it through its paces, and really get the full experience out of this device right here. But I gotta say, I really can't get over how beautiful the back looks, just this color. I wish this color was available in every smartphone device that I have, because I would pick this color right here. It is absolutely beautiful. But this has been it, my full unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I almost said Galaxy 12 Pro Max, but my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.